Is it too bright? If you wanna go out, like which you're not going anytime soon, I understand. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shruti. Today I'm gonna be doing a Zara basics haul. I know Zara's running like a huge sale, but I've literally not bought much from the sale section. There's like absolutely nowhere to be except for grocery stores. That's the reason I've bought everything from Zara basics collection. Y'all exactly know how my style is, so y'all know I'm all about basics. Even if like there's nowhere to be, I can literally roam around in my house wearing these clothes. July is like end of season month for spring and summer collection, but like this year I don't think anybody of us got to shop in spring and summer because spring and summer was cancelled. I'm like so sad because usually around this time the sale actually begins right before my birthday. The whole of July month is like the sale month. Every other shop is on sale right now. I just miss going out and shopping in person. It's okay, we're gonna have to do it online this time. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and without further ado, let's get started. First things first, I got this really cute white ribbed crop top. Now I have been looking for this top for so long because I've seen like a lot of people wear this. After I ordered this top, I saw Kendall Jenner wear this. There was like a pap picture of her on like Pinterest, and there's like a lot of cool pictures. It gives your body that nice chic look. You can pretty much wear this with like baggy denim, so your joggers and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I got. Then up next, I got the exact same top in green color. It's the exact same ripped crop top. This screams Yeezy. I've seen Kim wear this in like one of the Keeping Up with the Kardashians episode. I don't seem to recollect it, and I tried looking it up on the internet so that I could show you guys the picture, but it gives like major Yeezy vibes. I was so happy when I saw these two tops on the app. I actually wanted to get like all the colors, but I was like, no, let me just order two first, and then you know, if this fits me properly, I'll get more. It's like total of 5 colors. It fits your body properly. I got both these tops in like small. There's like small, medium and large.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.
So I got this pastel purple top. I have the exact same top in brown. Now they've come up with like pastel blue, green, purple. So yeah, that is what I got. I absolutely love this top. You've seen me wear it like all the time, and I actually really love the fit of it. I was actually scared that, you know, I might not fit into this. It's very body huggy. I think with time I'm gonna lose my quarantine weight.
Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see.
Up next, I got this really cute bodycon dress in beige pink. Got this in the size small, and it's really body hugging. I really love the color. I usually don't fit into Zara dresses. Everything falls off of my body. It's very hard for me to find dresses that are actually of my size and, you know, that actually fit me without getting like alterations done. So I don't really buy dresses from Zara unless and until I'm like actually going in the store and trying stuff out. But I don't know why, for some reason I thought that, you know, if it's a bodycon dress, I might fit into it. That's the reason I got it, and it actually fits me so well. This was the only item that I've gotten that was on sale. Soft touch crop top. It's cute. I actually got this for like my Instagram pictures. I really wanted to get this like, you know, bralette kind of top. I loved it and I had to get it. If you wanna go out, like which you're not going anytime soon, I understand. Really see myself getting like a nice Instagram picture in it. That was solely the purpose of getting this top. I think it looks really pretty. Next up, I got these cycling shorts. Got this in beige pink. It's super high waisted. It's good quality also. If you want to get a good workout, and it's super comfortable. Even though I got it in small, it's still a little bit long lengthwise. Honestly, I feel like all the cycling shorts go like a little big on me. Nevertheless, I'm like so in love with it. It's super nice. They also have like matching tops with this, which look really cute, but they were like long sleeve tops, and I actually have a lot of crop tops to wear along with this, so I just got the cycling shorts. Yeah, that's about it, because I got a couple of pieces for my birthday, but I'm not gonna show it in the haul. So if you want to see what else I've gotten, you have to watch my birthday vlog for it. Everybody is like shopping online and the stuff like just like sells out quickly. The last time I saw, not many colors were available. So what you gotta do is they have this little tiny email box and they'll notify you when the stuff arrives. If you're not able to like get the stuff while you're looking, just click on the notify me button and they keep like restocking. You might be able to get your hands on them. I'm obsessed with everything that I've gotten and it's like I can wear it on an everyday basis. That was my little Zara haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys soon.